How to use the TikTok voice changer. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of using the TikTok voice changer. Without any further ado, let's get right in. On the app of your TikTok, tap on the plus icon on the bottom and then select the video that you want to add in the voice changer. Tap on upload. Once you select the video, tap on next. Now once you're here on this screen, tap on audio editing, which you see on the right panel. Tap on this option and you can see all of the voices that you can change to. Select any voice to try out how it sounds, and that voice will be added to the video that you've added. You can try out from all of these voices which are available. Once you like the voice that you selected, tap on save on the top right. And there you go. Now you can easily tap on next and post it to your profile on TikTok. That's how easily you can use TikTok voice changer. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure you turn on the notifications of our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.